Hi mga langga, Sunitang is back again. So for today video, magkipag-meet up ako sa kapatid ko. Ayan siya, she's from Indonesia but she's been living here like more than 10 years now, and she is driving a red Tesla and it's really nice and it's very comfy and make your life so easy. Sa mga tamad mag-drive, ito yung the best car para sa inyo. So, dumating na nga kami dito sa mall. Of course, we straight in the bathroom kasi mag-outfit check. Mag-put some lipstick, you know, girly thing, you know that. So, we're in the downtown now and look at her. She is feeling it today, man. Oh, I'm loving it. I just like it when she smile. And this is me, of course. Takpan yung bilbil kasi ang laki na talaga ng bilbil ko. And look at her. She is so cute. And this is me again. Oh my gosh, parang namang hinahabol ng lasing to. Maglakad. Pero at least malaki ang puwet, no? And this is her again. We are just back and forth video because this is our today. And we're just gonna be enjoying the day. And of course, me pilingera. Akala mo naman ang ganda-ganda para namang badyaw. And oh my gosh, this girl she is in fire today. She's wearing white boots and that dresses is just like so cute on her. Of course, with her hair is curly. Oh, look at that pose. It's just like she's very shy person, but today I just love it. And of course, me, kala mo naman para namang tinapakan ng basun. Sige, rampa ka pa dyan. Malapit na yung asawa mo. I-pick upin ka na ng asawa mo, day. Kaya umayos ka. Baka batuhin ka nun. Or ipasok ka nun sa jail. Sige ka. Ayan, sige pa. Nailang itindakan, blaraw. And I don't even realize my husband is in there already so close.